so much to do this week. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I make scrunchies and bows. I've been doing so for 10 years now. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my scrunchie wall again. It feels like I didn't do it very long ago, but maybe it has been a couple months, I don't know. But it is looking very empty right now. I have already started doing bits and pieces. I pretty much just do everything like in batches when I do the scrunchie wall. So I try and cut all the fabric first, and then I sew all the fabric, flip all the tubes, elasticate everything, then sew the elastic, and then sew up like the holes, and then finally cut the pieces of strings off. This time around, I'm also doing a stock take. I did this last year around the same time, so then I know like how much I've got of each material and which ones are leaving the website very shortly or which ones are pretty much already out of stock. I went live, I think 2 days ago now, and I only did about half of one of these. So it wasn't much, but I did try and get a little bit cut and sort of answered everyone's questions as well at the same time. And then last night I settled in and did 3 rows. So I've done this one, and this one, and I'll show you the tubs. So I currently have one that has just regular size wide elastic, the regular size thin elastic. I have 2 different types of my regular size, depending on the elastic type. And usually I'll do 4 for the wide, 2 for the thin, because yeah, they're just not as popular as the wide ones, but they're still there in case someone wants them. I got the minis, petites, and a whole bunch of XLs under there. These are some new tubs because they're pretty full. I can probably fit a little bit more. And then here are my scribbles. Pretty much I'm using these that I made last year. I've got quite a few booklets and pamphlets. I've got lots of scrunchies. So everything in this bay is all online fabric. Well, mostly. There are some Christmas prints and then some marker prints down the bottom, but pretty much everything's online in those bays. And I've just been marking out how much I've got of each one very loosely. And then if I've got them out of stock, which is quite a few, or almost out of stock, I need to adjust these on the website. And ones that aren't even like pictured on these, I can't find them. I don't know why they're not pictured. They're just not there. I'm currently going through all of these and working it out. I've got a lot. So I finally finished the wall. It actually didn't take very long. So I've got the regulars, thin, regulars, XLs, petites and minis. And I've got heaps of space here now. This is all chock-a-block though. This. These ones I'm going to do for my new collection, but I'm not too sure yet. And then these are ones that aren't online, but I've used previously for like other things. I've also managed to get a bunch of scrap materials, which I plan to do like a project with in the future. So they're just like cute little remies, tiny little remnants. And I had a bunch that I have no more of, or there's like barely any left of. So I've just corrected these all on the website, including Etsy. Practically done now. So I can pop all these away and get started on actually making. Making will have to wait just a moment because I have so much to do this week. I won't have time. See you guys soon at a later date. Okay, see you soon.